आप थोड़ा आगे हो जाइएगा, सर लगेगा उसको। They are also from the Conquer only, but like this thing, this is the in Conquer there are two always distinguish between different Conquers. So one is the Lancer and one is the tree. So I have taken the tree and the Lancer which I have taken. छोटे छोटे जैसे आगे के एलिमेंट्स हम देख रहे हैं। Like you see just the line, or just this shot. Instead of taking the tree, I have taken a flower. So two has the different body colors, but rest has taken the body color. It's an artistic expression, so it is a little bit of so you can much more than meeting. Then your comments are very valuable.
No, but as you said, it's an artistic expression, then there is nothing that can be right or wrong.
No. It's not anything wrong. But then will you also?
Not so many, but few are. Everyone is different. Latest centerpiece is the same.
So I don't know. According to me, wherever I go in any day, this is the. Also, that is. Okay. I spoke to you. Hello.
How are you?
Yes, I'm बताना बेसिकली ये जो ये इतने 24 देव देवता है जैसा चलेगी थोड़ा हिंदी मराठी मिक्स चलेगी लेकिन मैं जो है ना इम्पैक्ट चलेगा
I'm also very happy that you're here.
You gave me opportunity to see this great artwork.
Thank you so much. You must come in this to visit better.
I
I'm sure it's a big
In fact,
privilege that
she was willing to be here, but she had to go to Calcutta.
even if she comes back and requested that she must come.
She has given a letter. That's good. That's
But
very
we'll
good.
read the letter.
That's fine.
We'll read the letter. I want that letter.
Excellent.
Decorations upon it to look very.
Yeah, no.
Tomorrow.
I was telling
It's
her,
going to go live at 9 o'clock, all news channels.
Acha.
Star News, ABP, Aaj Tak, Doordarshan.
I was telling her,
This is the news.
one person has done all the which one you choose?
बस हो गया?
सर तुम्हें याद है सर ये जो सीरीज आपके पेंटिंग्स की है इसके पीछे जो क्या आपकी भूमिका है और ये इस पेंटिंग्स की क्या खासियत है?
ये तीर्थंकर मेरा चौथा सीरीज़ है और पहला नौ दुर्गा, दूसरा था दशावतार, तीसरा था स्टोरी ऑफ शिवा और तीर्थंकर ये जो है ये हम जैन धर्म के ऊपर से मैं इंस्पायर होकर कर रहा हूँ और जैन्स में 24 तीर्थंकर्स होते हैं तो उन 24 तीर्थंकर्स में क्या डिफरेंस है उसको मैंने इस प्रदर्शनी में दर्शाने की कोशिश की है। मैं खुद जैन नहीं हूँ लेकिन मैं काफ़ी इससे इंटरेस्टेड रहा हूँ और मैंने ये जानने की कोशिश की है कि ये रिलीजन में क्या है, लोग किसको भगवान मानते हैं, किस तरह से ये करते हैं। तो उस हिसाब से मैंने इस प्रदर्शनी के थ्रू ये बताने की कोशिश की है कि लोग जाने कि जैनिज़्म के बारे में क्या है, तीर्थंकर्स कौन है। सब लोग महावीर भगवान को जानते हैं बट 24 और उनके पहले 23 उनसे पहले और थे तो उनके बारे में मैं धर्म के ऊपर बहुत लोगों ने आर्ट वर्क नहीं किया है तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं इस पर थोड़ा क्यों ना काम करूं।
लेकिन सर
आपसे मुझे पेंटिंग के आर्ट की तरफ मेरा झुकाव रहा है और मैं 2000 से मैं बचपन में भी पेंटिंग करता था लेकिन 2000 से मैंने ये पेंटिंग का कार्यक्रम शुरू किया और मैं करता था। मेरे गुरु पद्मश्री मिस्टर राजा जी हैं जिन्होंने मुझे 10 साल तक ये किया। अभी अंजलि रामेनन मुझे उनके गाइडेंस में मैं काम कर रहा हूँ। मुझे शौक़ है, मेरा पैशन है पेंटिंग तो मैं अपना टाइम निकाल करके इसके लिए समय देता हूँ और इससे मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है। बनाएंगे
They've been calling for his right arm, but I said I don't know. I'm going to tell his right arm. You got the sheet. Then what? I told him to send. He was here. I said he can send me. So he didn't.
लांच yes, anybody they are for 2 works are already on any
What is the thought that goes into background?
In this it's a background जो all the 24 तीर्थंकर हैं उनका और ये जो trees हैं उनके अंदर वो निर्माण मिला है। Animals is वो the mother dreamt of that animal। जनरली जैन मंदिर में जाएंगे तो वो पैर के नीचे में रहता है। But then here I have, as an artist, I've taken in the background and just be here. If you want, I'll give you a catalog. No. I didn't go to. Where you come from? Very nice of you. Hello. उसमें लिखा है उसमें उसका सबका ये भी है वो जो उच्चारण करते हैं उनका एक ये समझ में नहीं वो that is the form in which written and generally I have given an artistic bent to it but this is the figure which is
ये वो मंत्रोच्चारण बोलते हैं राम रीम
Actually, वो जो
So you're going to US these days? Once a year?
I do once a year I
कैलिफोर्निया भी आते हैं कभी
I do go, yes.
around
Comes.
acknowledging professional
God is kind.
very very kind.
All of us.
I want to go out.
बहुत बढ़िया था। मेरी पत्नी है मधु, ये कमल है, वेरी लीडिंग आर्टिस्ट, वेरी गुड।
अभी सर प्लीज सर
बहुत अच्छा।
दो फोटो सर प्लीज
थैंक यू।
लोग सर लोग थैंक यू सर
बहुत अच्छा।
Please have a look.
I've told PK Jain to come here.
It on my website. Yeah, that is yours, is it? Have a look. Sangeeta and all will be coming now. I just share a quick look. But then don't go away. Even if देखते हैं सीधा all done.
All done, all done.
हाय भरत कांग्रेचुलेशंस
कौन से इसमें है ये वाला
आइडिया अच्छा है।
साड़ी भी करेंगे मुझे लगता है 12,000 के
बहुत रेयर है।
Artists are they here present?
It's just one or two.
Everybody is coming. 7:30 is right. Rishi Kapoor is ready. You take my son. You take my son. I said the son है ना मुझे
Yeah, outside.
Someone who is very unappreciated comes very casually.
And this will go at 7:30. In fact, Rishi Kapoor is looking at so we'll open at 7:30. The moment it comes, so that time we will read this.
First we'll see you.
All good.
Very nice.
You have not met my wife.
Hello.
No
We met
introduction.
So many times.
Yeah.
How are you?
रचना जी आ रहे हैं।
Slight change in the program. Rishi Kapoor will come tomorrow. If she's back, she'll come today also. And very difficult to get the three. So I tried with two. One is black also. So what I did, the rest where I could not use the color, I've used the background of that body color.
I was wondering, knowledge add होती है ना?
Where the conceptualization that you have done
Written for his catalog also.
They are basically Lanchan.
Concise form of the pictures. Time, excuse myself.
Come on. Please.
Sir, thank you.
Long time.
Thank you. Ma'am, please.
Where they got the demand. You know, and that one particular like it's animal or element or something, that is the lanchan associated with it. And the second is the flower or the tree under which they got demand.
That is also.
But yeah, every electric market has that. Now what I have done, I have taken either a flower or a leaf. I have not shown the tree, so that which way it will look coordinated. That's the bigger question.
Absolutely.
Who is not his friend? That is the bigger question.
Have you met?
Take a look around. Can I give this to someone? Hold it now. Nice and
You are used to all these classes, sir. I am not.
And the way of life. You know, one of the in the country has one of the most richest people who are a Jain community, but still they kept themselves so well disciplined. It was really amazing. And generally, I do very theme-based walks. So this time I picked up Let Me Do Tirthankars. And I guess not many people have worked on it. In fact, I think, according to me, nobody has worked on Tirthankars on Jains before. So that was an inspiration. It was a very interesting topic to work on. Being a non-Jain, it was very interesting for me to do the research work. And then I...
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
But you've always been great promoter of
सर यहाँ पर पेंटिंग
Thank you.
हाँ ये करेक्ट
देखो जरा इनको दिखाओ आप ऐसा पोस्ट करना पड़ता है ऐसा पोस्ट करना पड़ता है प्रेस वांट्स दैट वे हम तो इसी के ना इसी के
हम तो आपके जो we are from your
मैम
I must come and see our place.
One question.
Yeah, but you got to go. I don't think your mic is on. Hello. Hello. So, one opinion.
No, no.
Please come in. Shanti, please come over here. I'm very fortunate that this is my 4th solo exhibition, and you all have been very supportive, and all of you are here whenever I put up a show. So I'm very, first of all, I'm very, very thankful to you.
Very good.
Yes, I'm also very thankful who has come for inaugurating at a very short notice, for which I'm really very thankful to him. I have been a great fan of yours, and of course I was not allowed to watch Bobby for a very long time, although I wanted to sneak in and go and see, but I can share this now that I saw it only when I was much older, and I really loved it. But I think now the kind of movies they make, I think Bobby is a very it's a very decent anyway. So we are a great fan of yours, myself and my family. We are very fortunate to have you here. And I would just request you very just to light the lamp and inaugurate the show.
Sure.
Come.
ये मित्रा बाजू लो
I would like to, I would request, can you just say a few words?
I find myself speechless these kind of occasions. Normally I'm so used to, giving bhashans on, certain rallies and certain film occasions, but to find myself in a very intellectual company, it's very difficult for me to speak. So please pardon me. I really am short of words, but thank you very much, Mr. Tripathi, for having called me. It's not a short notice. It's great to be here. It's wonderful, and thank you all for all coming in. And I wish you all the best and success.
Thank you. I would also like to call Ms. Padmini Kolhapure is also here. So can you just please come, because I think I'd just like to thank a few people. I paint, I'm very passionate about painting, but a few people who have been very supportive. And at the top of the list, as I said, this is my 4th time publicly I give credit to my wife, because she lets me do whatever I want to do without coming in my way. So I again thank her once again. I will not give credit to the daughter, because now she stays in hostel, so she's out of the way. I use her room for doing my work. So that way I can give her the credit. I would like to thank my dear friend Sangeeta, who has put up this beautiful show. I paint, but I don't know how to put it up. Sangeeta, Kasturi, Shanti from Art Music and Catalog. And I would also like to thank, I'm dedicating this show to my teacher, Anjali Lavanan, who is not here. She'll be coming tomorrow for the show. And also I'd like to thank one more person from Satyam Collections, who does all my nitty-gritty works, and they really help me out. Because I do have some health issues, so I cannot really do a lot of running around. But these are the support system who really help me do my work. I would like to thank, and I'd like to thank Padmini, I'd like to thank Rishi Ji for being here and doing the show. Thank you so much. Thanks for everything.
But she had to go to Calcutta for some reason. She had written to Tripathi ji. I know him, of course. Dear Sri Tripathi ji, while I was eagerly looking forward to inaugurate your solo exhibition on the Tirthankars at Hirji Art Gallery tomorrow evening. Of course, today evening. I am really sorry that I have to go out of Bombay quite unexpectedly due to some family exigency, and will miss this opportunity. I hope I will have your understanding. I shall definitely visit the show on my return to Mumbai with all the good wishes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And
How can you meet up? Please.
You have to be
I'm sorry.
reminded.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'll just take you around.
Sure.
I believe that universe was created by itself and it's managed by itself. And I believe that it was created by God and it's not So anybody can become powerful. You can also become powerful. If you attend the Himalaya, then you reach about that. This is the first, and Mahavir is the last. All families are common human beings. And then left everything announced. And they are and the tree, at places I should be, at places I should be. The flowers. So like a villain. So I just gave it a shadow.
Thank you.
This is again the 9th. My first show was Navdurga. I have been taught by Raza and one big painting to show the interpretation of my works. And then when I was doing Dashavtar, there was a group of Jain students who came. And they said, "Kya hamare liye aisa painting?" It just struck me. I said, "Why not do it?" So that's how I did it. When I was also kind of I was also such a kid. I'm not porcupine also. No, I'm sure. Like this, I could not find the animal was not, I don't know what that is, but it was not going well. They have taken Vajra.
What is that?
Vajra is a showing a tree, I'll just show the mangoes. Some are used knives.
Myself, we both artists. And I, as an artist, have come here to give him full support. It's his 4th exhibition and some wonderful paintings. And I have seen and he's explained me. Basically, you appreciate art, but you must understand the depth behind it. And that all Bharatji can, tell you about it.
Which one is your favorite?
Well, all of them have different meanings. You can't really pinpoint. I have 5 fingers, but I don't have a favorite. Which finger of mine is it? Right? They all created by me. I created by him. So all of them mean differently. They all have great essence.
One painting that you like to give to Rishi sir as a gift?
Which is my pixel given.
It's the very fact that he called me here itself is a big honor.
So apart from this, Ranveer has been selected and here is
So if you only we do this, what you call it. Cubs kahan se aaye? Oh, I've been here 2 weeks.
Yeah. A few things. No, I can't.
And his wife is a big connoisseur of painting. Okay. She has an outer. Abhi bhi hai?
No, that didn't.
Hello. Thank you. How are you? Good. How are you? Good to see you.
Like old. Bobby हमको दिखने दिया घर में भी saw it continue.
I used to really torture them separately. I'm here. I'm going to start the very much. Photo चाहिए. अरे बाप रे. Sorry. Okay. मिले जब वो नवरात्र में गए थे. The AC vent. Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you. Srinivas. How Oh, flash, huh? You must understand. Thank you.
My wife will not have any objection.
With me, Harsha, me, no chance.
Not having objection now, as
She never did.
How is
Tanuj is fine. Second one is, I think, Shush. We honor running away with
I am underwriting.
Some tankers maybe heavy 25 जल्दी अगर आ गए डायमंड वाले और ये गोल्ड वाले तो समझ लीजिए साल किसी का डिमांड चलता रहे तो अपने मंदिरों में
I'm very toned down today.
You're very toned down. You never toned down.
Meaning?
But इसका ये ब्लैक होने का कोई स्पेसिफिक रीजन नहीं है ऐसे कलर होता है मैंने इसको बोला
Yeah, I don't know.
एक लोग तो बनती है
Sound like it is.
what writing and covering at Times of India get interested.
I'm sending it. She's sending me a wife.
This is a reference to Bharat Tripathi.
Okay?
Very vibrant.
I have 4 papers. Oops, sorry.
That is the first.
Did you hear? This is only one good thing. We will.
Your daughter is trying to find her.
Thank you. Anybody with some tea?
I hope she's not gone to some other gallery.
Pure Tirthankar and back to positive change. But there's the background, there's no particular significance. There's like this
Exactly.
No problem. Which painting?
Not being trained or in
Definitely कोई ना कोई connect है otherwise तो
This is the first time also
So which one you like?
Plus we have
More than my fashion. More than my fashion. But superstar. I'll catch you in the
Thank you so much.
Only in the 19th that I'm going to lick it.
एक अपने घर में लगा सकते हैं 2-4 लोगों को गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं
I really love that. That it's so simple to the eye. I can't understand painting otherwise. It explains that I like to see it. I like it. That's all I can see. My son has got exams. The degree देखो अनमोल has to solve paper.
I think your friend was with you. She just
वैसे जमाने के
Thank you.
कि आपने वो एक पिक्चर
मैम थैंक यू सर
Very important for me to know what is your reaction.
ये मेरा रिसर्च करीब 1 डेढ़ साल लगा है और एक्चुअली एग्जीक्यूशन इज टेकन रिसर्च उसके पहले 1 साल रिसर्च थॉट ड्राइंग कैसे करना है क्या करना है वो सब मेरा हो forward to your coming for 90. Thank you.
Hang on there till after 10. Now traffic वाले जाना
I need to watch it. They will get really happy.
They already are.
So now you can get ready.
Definitely.
You like to come and spend a rocking day at home. Awesome. Definitely. Give me all your favorite dishes. Let's come and spend the day.
Yeah, I know. The life, you can feel the texturing and everything.
But I got the message that she'll be coming. 4 messages I got. You come in the super together.
Yeah, we'll go. मेरा ड्राइवर no, मेरे पास ड्राइवर आ गया मैं क्या तो ताज में गया है थैंक यू
इस साल भी गया था
ब्लेजर अच्छे
पहन के नहीं आ रहा था आ रहे हैं
जी इधर देखिए
हाय मेघना हैप्पी बर्थडे
थैंक यू अंकल थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू सो मच श्रेया नहीं आई
बंद हो रहा है ना
थैंक यू ये अच्छा भी है नव्या कम आई शो यू ऑल द पेंटिंग्स कम
हेलो वो भाई सीक्वेंस 1 से 24 इधर आएगा
नव्या नॉट पोजीशन यू
थोड़ा आ गया
गिव हिम इंजरी